team, Ismash, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. We are by site number 2 where things has calmed down a little bit. The slab is now cast, all the conduits them in place, electrical and water. We just go through the curing process now, wherein which we water the slab every morning for the next 14 days or so. Nobody's on site right now, and I know you guys believe in the world having things running parallel. Like whilst the roofer cure, we can do something else at the same time, but it all boils down to resources. And in this case, so as soon as everything up and running again, we can be mobilized. Can't do the floor right now because the props them still in there. The most we can do are like flash outside of the unit, and we just want to come in and call in the mace one time for just do film damage and cut out that place. But before that, the termites them have to come in and do for them electrical work. No offense to the electrician, but a sudden call on a termites gonna come in and dig down the place after everything nice, pretty and going nice and smooth. You guys come in and eat down the place, dig down the walls and dig up everything. So you guys kind of remind me of... We're gonna have a look at the slab and see what go on, and you guys tell me what you think. So guys, based on the last video of this unit, you just see we are install these pipes, tile it, and the 2-inch drain. This of the bathroom, 2 bathroom are the right here. So these are for the shower, so you have hot and cold again. So we're going at the mixer over here. So now this is for the kitchen, so you have the drain pipe in the middle, hot and cold, and then this side we put the kitchen right here, so instead of over here. So the laundry room is over this side, hot, cold, and waste. Everything else here look one of the electrical. Gotta keep looking. If it's not there, gotta go again. Wish to get over it, 'cause when I look aside, she's always a side profile for everything. And remember guys, you can follow me on Instagram if you want to see what I'm doing besides from these 2 units for now. As when we go up on the inspections and other sites, kinda make short little videos on the gram and other little things, just a day in the life. And big up to all like people then where text me on the gram, shoot me email, give me work, support the thing. Big up on yourself. Yeah, team Ismash. I truly appreciate it, you know. I'm tired for say so. I'm gonna continue to say so. I'm gonna prove it to you, say I'm worth your guys' time, investment, and all of that. You know, I try to be the creme de la creme in this industry. It is a work in progress. I can't promise the world right now, but I can promise, you know, say I'm gonna put out my best effort to give the world. Everything look nice, everything in place. Let's just come check back on this in a couple of days time and then move on.
See it run this one.
Water come from there, sir?
Yes, see.
So what kind of water they come
See
from?
it run and I make nice. It will come back.
What kind of water they come
I
from?
don't know where the water they come from.
What you think about it?
It's full of sand?
But without the water they come from?
I don't know.
You don't have no pipe here, sir? You have no pipe here, sir. Not one pipe come there, sir. Your pipe over there, sir. Sewer line, go down there, sir. Pressure pipe over there, sir. So you don't have no water over here, sir. So in your bathroom no over here, sir. So you don't have no water to come this side.
I wonder if I pressure pipe bust up this one as well.
Halfway.
And as well.
But if they move on the earth, that in there, so. Not
There are things.
Me that try break down all like possible thing
Show
there.
your pipe then. Your pipe. You sure you come after with this thing, yeah?
You see man all the
You run right on your swell. Come right against this stanchion here. And connect right from here.
So it's swell line come from there, so from that.
Connect over here.
Since water always full up in this, you can see the water pressure.
This is a clear soil, a clear land. At points you will find water. You know, because a water lag. All of them places of water.
No, but that's water not smell, you know.
The water them smell funky.
I don't know.
Okay.
Come over.
Okay.
See type of water this look like. Not sure.
If that is the point, if that is the point, now go on.
Good morning again, team Ismash. This vlog might be coming out a little bit late as I am working on some things. This year has been a little bit, probably way too hectic for me. It started off with a buzz when I did kinda foresee, but I did I get the benefit I do, but everything actually I come true. So we do a whole, let me say a whole lot of, we do a whole lot of inspection since the year start. We do a lot of site visits, like even sites that me just gain some experience of, because mainly you see anything when I introduce myself to, I'm a plan for do it later on in the future. I try expose myself to it as best as I can, because me not gonna know everything, but I have an idea for do every single thing. Today we're actually doing some what I call trowel on my Instagram. I did give a sneak peek on the outside. I did the ceiling inside, and as I said, this is not really the main focus. And then we're gonna go back on site number 2 to add. The development is starting soon, so in a couple vlogs from now, or maybe the vlog after this, you guys will be seeing commencement of that site. The survey has been down there at this point in time, but nothing else really a go on. So as soon as I start, I'm gonna tag along with me from start to finish with that side, and anything else will come up, of course. So yeah guys, let's go see what go on. So it tigers are going to feed you. Now only in the next 30 minutes. Oh, upstairs. I try to turn on the aperture. This more lean to being white than the one downstairs. So have this orange shade in it. Therefore that one here kind of harder to see. Front porch. Going all the way down. This is kind of white again. So guys, everything for the most part, you know, the house here kind of done by the homeowner himself. All of the the electrical work, most like plumbing, and kind of some of the masonry. So and just get assistance with painting. So kudos to those who are doing their own little thing, skills. Good luck. Face decent, but tile it. Keep the columns. Corinthian columns. Guys, if I pick up on nothing, pick up on the fox of them ceiling here. Jeez and peas. It's impossible for me to jump and touch this. Impossible. So there you go. But the third story up here, so now you can see the ceiling prime. Ready for the print, as well as the walls. But see the defect here? Defects. And then out here, so now we are upstairs. But here's so nice. Very nice. I always like the whole idea of sharp edges, you know. Like pencil, I think call it pencil point iris or something like that. I remember I did one this thing for all the tank bunny. Because you have to make the slab can facilitate something big like this. You can't just build for build sake. This is just flash up your wall though.
It's true, that's roll out and level up. That means it's all on the other one. Now, I'm going to level. Rubbish.
Okay.
Yeah, rubbish.
So you can't go on nothing like this, none at all.
No, you have to get this out. Just a roll with the float when you wet. The float
And make it smoother.
Yeah, they come on to one side.
Okay, that's the plastered.
Good.
So guys, that good. Me want to show you now when I apply the trowel on, but that take too long. So I'm gonna go up the other side now, and we're just gonna look on that. But he basically explain some of the fundamentals in the whole paint application process. So hope you guys take a look at notes where I said a while ago, and yeah, let's see what's going on site number 2. It's for our box screen. All of that for the box screen. After flashing, that none of business fee now wall. The string can be removed.
No don't now. Once that to make a $500.
So guys, as you can see, soon time to cast the floor. Just a backfill and then compaction. So yes, team Ismash, as you can see, on site number 2 we reach not so far from the last time, but we have made progress and we are just fine-tuning the final things and for kind of call the envelope a closed one. We are going to compact the floor. We're see if we can get a plate compactor and compact it, even though we have tried it in a 2 layers. 2 layers is supposed to be done in a 2 6-inch layers, so we have tried it in a 2 6-inch layers. Then we cast, we have worked on the rooms, the flashing of the room, finish all of the jams them, and we try to close up an area for like storage and things like that. The plumber actually just come, just go for the plumber, and he might finish the plumbing in the bathroom as well as any other plumbing we're going for today. Yeah, we're just about wrapping up soon, so we're just gonna try see if we can just continue on our good path. And the good thing is that the team got more work in this scheme. It seems like when they start working on development and scheme, when one person say anything good, everybody else take time call you, and they might come see for themselves say you're really about where you preach or where you talk. You're not all caps and no cattles. Another parcel there over here, so and 2, a matter of fact 2 of them in our scheme, so them there in our near future, as well as things that will come after that are in between. So I'm going back in now to finish up this estimate that I am doing for this client in Sinton. I have some other work for the besides on that. So team Ismash, hope you guys haven't missed me too much. You know, I'm gone and come back and gone and come back and gone and come back, but when you're doing this and trying to build something great, it is not easy to be consistent, but consistent in everything where you do. But you should not give up. Me not gonna ever stop. My tired for telling you say, like vlogging or something, me not gonna ever stop. So I'm gonna do it as long as life permits me to, or allows me to. So when I get tired, facing my face. The team Ismash, see you guys in my next vlog. Thanks for sticking around. As me say, email me, DM me, follow me on Instagram. I'm out.